What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to my blog.
Springtime in Duluth is usually quite dreary. The clouds and the rain and the wind ravage the shoreline, the hillside, and the residents who are sick of the annual cabin fever brought on by the harsh winter. But we fear not, as we know the next sunny day will come, as it does every year, eventually. The clouds and the rain eventually subside as springtime slips into summertime. What remains is the wind, which is convenient for an excited and novice sailor such as myself. Lake Superior happens to be the greatest of the Great Lakes. While sitting upon the shore watching her roll in and out has captivated Duluthians since before Duluth was Duluth, there too comes a morbid curiosity as what it would be like to be among the waves. I grew up on the water, on the smaller lakes of Minnesota, always moving too fast on powerboats. I now appreciate and prefer stopping, floating, listening, resting, feeling, and perhaps escaping from life for a short while. As I've been getting out onto the water, I've learned that this inland sea doesn't care if you are smart or dumb, weak or strong, rich or poor, proficient or useless. In a world that is constantly demanding something of you or placing impossible expectations upon you, the lake ignores you altogether, existing as it always has. You are left by yourself. You must depend on yourself for yourself. Escapism isn't all bad. Taking a break from your busy life, if you're fortunate enough to do so, is something that I think all of mankind desires. To let your stress dissipate, to let the pain in your chest release, and to make sure every breath is as deep as it always should have been. This has been a constant thorn in my side for some time now. But as I said before, the next sunny day will come.